An autonomous car, also known as a driverless car, is an autonomous vehicle capable of fulfilling the transportation capabilities of a traditional car. As the name suggests, it is capable of sensing its environment and navigating without human input. As of the time of this video, the only self-driving vehicles that are commercially available are shuttles for pedestrian zones. They only travel at 12.5 miles per hour. This may seem insignificant, but it is a step towards the amazing potential of this technology. Self-driving vehicles are inevitable. They're going to be commonplace once the time is right. These vehicles are primarily in their prototype stages, with significant development because of the recent breakthroughs in technology, mainly that of computing and sensing technology. There's a bit of a trust barrier though. This is because of the perceived complexity of the machines. These may seem like pretty sophisticated machines, but are pretty simple when broken down to the individual components. All these vehicles really need are just sensors to observe the environment around themselves. This sensory data is then sent to a computer where it'll decide on what it should do next. These vehicles can see a lot more than people can. Many of the sensors included on these vehicles are sonar. The two main ones are in both the right and left side of the bumper. Encoders are in the wheels and fed into a central computer. There are also front and rear mounted cameras that are used for vision. The computers are incredibly fast. This allows for reaction times faster than that of an ordinary person. LiDAR, or a type of radar using lasers, is mounted in the front of the vehicle to measure the distance of itself in respect to others. The cars are able to make their own judgments about what speed they need to travel in order to remain at a safe cruising distance. The combination of sonar and LiDAR will let the vehicle easily sit through a traffic jam. An individual's morning commute or a company's shipment will be incredibly easy and safe. These are some pretty amazing machines. Because each car has a computer in them, they have the ability to communicate to one another. A huge convenience will be created for anybody who owns an autonomous vehicle. A smart device can be used to request a pickup from the auto. This helps prevent the need to find a parking spot at the place where you're at, as the vehicle will drive off and find its own parking spot. Autonomous vehicles will allow people underage, overage, blind, distracted, intoxicated, or otherwise impaired to get to a destination safely. There will be a reduction of physical road signage. Autonomous cars could receive all necessary road information communication electronically. Computers don't get distracted like people either. This will be a huge advantage. There will be increased roadway capacity and reduced traffic congestion due to reduced need for safety gaps. Traffic flow will be able to be better managed as well. This technology doesn't have to be perfect, it only needs to be better than humans. As soon as autonomous automobiles are able to prove themselves and are employed, they have the potential to save tens of thousands of lives and prevent millions of injuries. Cars aren't the only things that are driving themselves though. The high reliability of this technology has been applied by NASA to send autonomous air vehicles to study the properties of the atmosphere during hurricanes. Amazon is trying to employ this technology to deliver packages to customers within 30 minutes of order time using quadrotors. DARPA's semi-autonomous legged squad support system has the ability to carry up to 400 pounds of a squad's load. This technology will allow us to live easier and safer lives.